Hello students, we are going to discuss about Unit 2 Engineering Ethics. What is engineering ethics? It is defined as the identification, study and resolution of ethical problems occurring in the practice of the engineering profession. Concept of engineering ethics is not applicable for engineers. Are you agree? It can also be applied to others who engage in any technological enterprises. What are the technological enterprises? Scientist, technician, technical writer, production staff, supervisor, sales staff, doctors, lawyers and general public. Be clear. Study of moral issues and decision deal with individual and organization involved in engineering. Study of related question about moral ideals, character, policies and relations of people and organization involved in technological activity. What is the difference between engineering ethics and professional ethics? The term engineering ethics and professional ethics are used interchangeably. Professional ethics is wider in scope than the engineering ethics. Engineering ethics is a part of professional ethics. I hope all of you agree with me. Professional ethics is the discipline aimed at understanding the moral values that ought to guide all professional practices. What are the professional practices? Including engineering, medicine, law and other practices. What is engineering ethics? Engineering ethics refer to the set of specific moral problems and issues related to engineering profession only. Be clear. Aims in studying engineering ethics. Why study engineering ethics? Why it is necessary for engineering student to study engineering ethics? Why should a future engineer bother studying ethics at all? Study of engineering ethics is necessary for all engineering students. Why? Because of these reasons. What are the reasons? First one, stimulating the moral imagination. The engineering ethics course is to stimulate moral imagination of engineering student. Imagination is necessary for engineers in anticipating the consequence of action as professional and in finding solution to ethical problems encountered in their professional life. Are you clear? Second reason, recognizing ethical issues. Ethical problems encountered in engineering practice often are very complex, difficult. They involve conflicting ethical principles. Engineering ethics course help engineers in recognizing various ethical issues. Third reason, developing analytical skill. We are technical people. Technical and analytical skill required for analyzing moral issues are quite different than that for exercising good engineering practice. While analyzing moral issues, one requires clear thinking, clear idea about concepts such as rights, duties, utility, and respect for persons. Aim of engineering ethics is to train the engineer to analyze complex problems. Students, be clear. We are technical people. We need both technical and analytical skill. Next reason, drawing out a sense of responsibility. Engineering ethics course encourage the engineer to desire to fulfill ethical ideals rather than ethical requirement. Be clear. Engineering ethics promote sense of responsibility and the moral autonomy, self-governing of future engineers. Last reason, addressing unclarity, uncertainty and disagreement. Engineering ethics helps the engineer in addressing unclarity, uncertainty and disagreement about what? Moral issues. We know resolving ethical issues exposes certain amount of vagueness, uncertainty and disagreement. Study of engineering ethics help engineers to learn to resolve these problems in the most ethical manner. Be clear. Okay. Where the ethical issues can arise? Conceptualization, design, testing, manufacturing, sales and service, supervision and project team, project timeline and budget, expectation, judgment, products unsafe or less than useful, design for obsolescence, inferior material, unforeseen harmful effect to society. Impact of an engineer ethical decision as an engineer, products and service, company and its stockholders, public and society, environment, profession, how the public views it, law, legislation affect the profession and industry, how, personal position, job or internal moral conflict. Senses of ethics. Word ethics has many different related meanings. Therefore, correspondingly, the expression engineering ethics has several additional interpretations. 4 important senses of the engineering ethics. First one, engineering ethics is the activity and discipline aimed at understanding the moral values that ought to guide engineering practice, resolving moral issues in engineering, and justifying moral judgment concerning engineering. Second one, engineering ethics refer to the set of moral problems and issues related to engineering. Third one, ethics has widely accepted codes and standards of conduct which are to be followed by the group of engineers and engineering society. Are you clear or not? Okay. Last one, engineering ethics is concerned with a set of justified moral principles of rights and ideal that are to be followed by the engineers. Be clear. Okay. Thank you for your attention.